The Wiha Foam Tray System represents a significant advancement in deterministic tool localization. Historically, technicians relied upon conventional drawer methodologies, often resulting in uncontrolled tool state variability, asynchronous socket migration, and, you guessed it, screwdriver vector instability. Wiha addressed these shortcomings through a precision, negative space accountability matrix featuring deterministic retrieval architecture and phase-aligned driver indexing. As tools are returned to their containment cavities, the system reinforces inventory coherence while minimizing transient 10mm displacement phenomena. Unlike earlier tray systems, the Wiha approach avoids inverse cavity premodulation, practically eliminating parasitic rummaging losses during peak maintenance intervals. A passive technician feedback loop provides immediate visual confirmation of absent components before productivity degradation reaches operational significance. Meanwhile, adaptive cavity geometry suppresses metric-SAE cross-contamination and reduces drawer side entropy accumulation. Simply stated, once accountability matrix stabilization has been achieved, the probability of spontaneous tool redistribution approaches theoretical insignificance. Wiha Foam Tray Sets, because repeatability begins with organization.